The new Hino 300 series is here. Built to be an industry leader in safety, power and efficiency. It's the safest Japanese truck in its class, offering these tremendous enhancements: pre-collision system, autonomous emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning system, and these benefits, together with a suite of other additional safety features, are now standard on all new 300 series models. The range has also been expanded with the introduction of the new 721. This model involves enhanced levels of power and torque, making it the most powerful 6.5-tonne GVM Japanese truck in the Australian market. And Hino is still the only Japanese truck manufacturer to offer the advantage of a true automatic across the 300 series 4x2 model range. The new Hino 300 series, built for safety, ready for anything.
G'day. For over 50 years, Hino have been selling trucks in the Australian market. And during those 50 years, our trucks have proven themselves with their quality, the durability and the reliability that you know from Hino. It's been 20 years since we began selling our light-duty trucks. Started with the Dutro. At the time, the market leader in safety, we set new benchmarks for what an Australian customer can expect with disc brakes, ABS and SRS airbags. The Dutro set the benchmark for what a light-duty truck in the Australian market should be. In 2011, Hino updated our light-duty truck with the introduction of the MY11 300 series. Hino raised the bar once again in regards to what an Australian customer should expect from a light-duty truck. With market-leading levels of safety via the inclusion of features such as an ECE R29 cab, optional reverse camera, and of course, the life-saving vehicle stability control, or VSC. The new truck also featured superior on-road performance and drivability, thanks to the Hino 4-litre engine and the true automatic transmission. And drivers were well looked after with an ergonomically superior interior and an all-new dash layout with tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and of course, the driver's suspension seat on all the wide cab models. And now for 2020, we introduce the updated 300 series, which will keep delivering on the brand promise of quality, durability and reliability, with class-leading safety, power and efficiency, and of course, a low total cost of ownership. The new 300 series will prove to be your reliable business partner. The new Hino 300 series, the safest Japanese truck in its class. Differentiating the new 300 series from the previous model is a new grille design and of course the DRLs, or daytime running lamps. Being seen adds to the safety of the new 300 series. The cab is a purpose-designed safety structure. Not only does it comply with Hino's stringent driver and passenger safety criteria, but it is constructed to meet the ECE R29 European crash test standards. In designing the cab with accessibility, safety and visibility at the forefront of the design brief, we have the narrow A-pillars, which are almost half that of our competitors and which allow for the large wide view windscreen, aiding forward vision. Combine that great forward vision with the generously sized electronically adjustable and heated mirrors and the convex spotter mirrors. And that great forward vision is complemented by the high definition, wide view, night vision enabled and sound enabled reverse camera, which is standard on every Hino truck. The Hino 300 series incorporates all the safety features which are expected in a Hino light duty truck today. Features such as driver and passenger SRS airbags, the energy absorbing steering wheel, traction control, and of course ABS braking. And what really set Hino apart from our competitors was the introduction of the life-saving safety system, Vehicle Stability Control, or commonly known as VSC. VSC works in conjunction with the brake and engine control systems. It continually monitors the steering angle, wheel rotation speed, yaw rate and lateral G-forces. If the system detects conditions that could lead the truck to rolling over, such as when entering or exiting a corner too fast, it can help prevent a rollover from occurring by autonomously reducing the engine power and can even apply the brakes to individual wheels. VSC can also assist vehicle stability on slippery surfaces or in understeer situations. The new 300 series raises the level of safety on light-duty trucks yet again with the introduction of Hino Pre-Collision System, or PCS. PCS incorporates autonomous emergency braking, pedestrian detection and lane departure warning system. PCS can detect a vehicle in front using both radar and image sensors. Should PCS detect the possibility of a collision, it can warn the driver both visually and via audible alerts. If the system determines the possibility of a collision, it can autonomously apply the brakes to mitigate damage or even avoid a collision. PCS also includes pedestrian detection. If the system senses a possibility of a collision, it will warn the driver to apply the brakes using both visual and audible alerts. If the system determines imminent impact, it can autonomously apply the brakes. Lane departure warning system alerts the driver visually and audibly if the vehicle deviates from the lane without the turn indicators being activated. Hino offer a very broad range of vehicles to the Australian market. The first vehicle we have here is a hybrid. This model is here representing the standard cab range today. We'll talk about hybrids a little later, but for now, let's concentrate on the conventional diesel models. The car licence light truck market is an area of the market where our products are clearly class leading. The 616 standard cab models are available in two wheelbases and are equipped with the 4-litre NO4C engine rated at 150 horsepower and 420 newton metres of torque. And it is matched to a 5-speed manual or 6-speed true automatic transmission. This is a vehicle that is well at home in tight city streets, but it can also carry a hefty load with ease. And with the true automatic transmission offering, it makes driving effortless. Not only can it carry a hefty load, but as a car licensed GVM model, it also has the capability of towing up to a full 3.5 tonne trailer. The 616 standard cab is the smallest Hino truck in the range, but it has a driveline which outperforms our competitors' larger models. The next vehicle is an example of the wide cab 4-litre models, which are our most popular models and are available in a variety of wheelbases and GVM combinations, from the 616 automatic car licence through to the 917 8.5 tonne GVM manual model, which technically does sneak into the bottom of the medium duty segment. Here we have an example of the 616 wide cab automatic model, which can be driven on a car licence. The wide cab models are available in single or crew cab configurations, and at the heart of these models is the Hino NO4C engine, rated at 165 horsepower and 464 newton metres with a 6-speed manual transmission, or 150 horsepower and 420 newton metre engine with the 6-speed true automatic transmission. With the true auto transmission, driving a light-duty truck has never been more effortless. And just like the standard cab models, the wide cab 4-litre models can not only be driven on a passenger car licence, but they also have the capability to tow up to a full 3.5 tonne trailer. If you want true on-road driving performance in your light-duty truck, then the 5-litre wide cab model is the truck for you. And this new 721 model is the best light-duty truck that Hino have built yet. 920 models feature the 5-litre Hino J05 engine with 189 horsepower and 510 newton metres of torque, and matched to a 6-speed manual transmission for drivers that want to shift their own gears. For drivers looking for true performance and ease of drivability, the 721 and 921 models offer customers a driveline with the best performance of any light-duty cab-over truck. With 205 horsepower and 600 newton meters of torque, fed through a double overdrive, 6-speed true automatic transmission with sequential shifting capability. The new 721 models can be driven on a car licence or rated at 6.5 tonne GVM for those customers looking for a higher payload. 920 and 921 models can be rated at 8 or 8.5 tonne GVM, and all wide cab 5 litre models have a standard towing capacity of 3.5 tonne. All of the 4 litre and 5 litre diesel models meet the latest exhaust emissions standards via the well-proven and trusted Hino, EGR and DPR system. Customers choosing the 300 series with a true automatic transmission are assured that they have chosen a transmission that always knows which gear it should be in, and that there are no special driving instructions required. And there's no lag between gear shifts. Customers can choose a Hino automatic not only for the smooth drivability, but the performance, the fuel efficiency, and the superior hill start capability that only a true torque converter automatic transmission can deliver. Only Hino can offer a Japanese truck with a true automatic transmission. WHS is a critical business consideration, and at Hino, we've looked at even the simple things like getting into and out of the vehicle, making that easy for the driver. And with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel, easily adjustable, and a driver's suspension seat on inclined seat rails, getting the right driving position for a driver of almost any size is easy. The dash in the 300 series is well designed, with all switches and controls of regular use being within easy reach of the driver. A new instrumentation display has an enlarged and centralised speedometer with improved readability. To the right of the speedometer sits a 4.2-inch LCD multi-information display, which provides the driver with all manner of vehicle operational, maintenance and performance data. Using the new multi-information display is done via the steering wheel controls, which are a first for a Japanese light-duty truck and allow the driver to scroll through the menus. The new steering wheel controls allow the driver to control basic functions of the multimedia unit and Bluetooth phone, without the driver's hands leaving the steering wheel. The Hino multimedia unit features a large 6.5-inch high-definition capacitive touchscreen and is now standard fitment across the full Hino range of light, medium and heavy-duty trucks. The unit is AM/FM radio and DAB plus digital radio equipped. It has USB and Bluetooth music streaming capability and mobile phone connectivity with voice dialing. Options for the multimedia unit include the connection of up to 3 additional cameras, digital video camera recorder or DVR, tyre pressure monitoring system and a truck-specific satellite navigation which takes into consideration parameters of the truck such as bridge weights, low height access points and road restrictions around dangerous goods. And importantly, it's Wi-Fi connected, so it has the benefit of over-the-air software updates. The 300 series drivelines are all about performance and efficiency, and the most efficient models in the range are the electric diesel hybrid model. The Hino hybrid is available as a car licence, standard or wide cab model, as well as wide cab 6.5 and 8.5 tonne GVM. An updated 4 litre NO4C engine incorporates a number of changes over the conventional diesel models. In keeping with our hybrid customers' desire to have the cleanest light-duty truck possible, all Hino hybrid models meet Euro 6 emissions, which are yet to be legislated for Australia. The hybrid meets Euro 6 compliance via a combination of our well-proven DPR and SCR solutions. And if our 500 series standard cab models are any indication, the emission solution has proven to improve fuel efficiency. Not only did Hino update the diesel engine, but the hybrid electric system itself has been updated and improved. A new 6-speed automated transmission with the new higher torque electric motor mated to the front of the box means that gear shift times are shortened thanks to the assist of the motor. There's a new lower weight battery, new software, new inverter and more efficiency. Lower tear weight, better productivity for the customer. Independent back-to-back testing on the previous models have proven that fuel efficiency improvements of 21% in real-world applications and conditions. The new model, with their improvements, are expected to be even better. The Hino electric hybrid. So there we have it, the new 300 series. The most powerful, the safest and the most efficient truck in its class.
The 300 series, like all Hino products, will be supported by Hino Advantage, a suite of business solutions designed to support Hino customers and reduce costs across the life of the vehicle. Hino Advantage includes cap price servicing, telematics, Hino genuine parts, 24/7 roadside assist, Hino financial services and personalised customer care support. All of the new 2020 Hino 300 series range come with a 3-year or 100,000 kilometre standard warranty, whichever comes first, with the option of extending the warranty to 5 years. The new Hino 300 series, built for safety, ready for anything.